Good afternoon, everyone. Today I have a video for you guys. Gonna feature a black Apple Watch Ultra case that I purchased from Amazon yesterday. We're gonna unbox it. It is from Amband. We're gonna see what this looks like on the Ultra One together. I feel like this will help complete the overall appearance if you're using a black band. Today I have the black carbon fiber band by Robust. Very nice band, magnetic clasp. So what we're going to do today is put this on the Ultra One after opening the case together, see what it looks like, how easy it is to put on, what the overall appearance is, my take on it, and what the finished product looks like with the black carbon fiber band on it. Plus, I'll also show you guys at the end of the video a custom watch face that I've designed using the Clockology app to help further your overall appearance of your Ultra, to give it just a killer look. So we're going to do that together today, guys. So let's go ahead and get busy and open this case up. All right, so let's go ahead and take the Ocean Band that I have here off of the Ultra One. And I did want to mention to you guys, I will include a screenshot, or not a screenshot, I'll include a link with the item that I'm featuring today from Amazon. Like I said, it's from Amband. I have the link there for you guys, so it's handy if you do want to order. The price of it was $19.99. It wasn't one of the cheapest ones that I saw on Amazon, but felt it looked like a one that had decent quality from what I could tell, and the reviews were pretty favorable on it. So just want to let you guys know that I'll have that information available. All right, so let's go ahead and get this opened up here. I've had the Ultra One for a couple years, and I do like the titanium finish, but like I said, it just doesn't look as nice on some of these bands as a black finish would. So that's why I went ahead and purchased this yesterday. And so looks like it comes with some screen protectors too. All right, so this looks to be good quality, guys. Full wraparound protection and complete overall. I think it's going to give it a total black look like an Ultra 2. And it even has the orange action button on the side. And the color matches the Ultra One shortcut button color. Identical. I mean, it's like spot on. So anxious to get this on here. It did come with some screen protectors as well. I'm not a huge fan of using these personally, especially if you got this thing on it. I don't think you're going to need a screen protector, in my opinion. I'm not going to put it on it because I might not always want the black case on it either. So let's go ahead and set this stuff aside. All right, so let me see here how easy it is to open up here. Okay, so it does just clip in. So we got it apart. Go ahead and clean my Ultra One up some here. Anxious to see what this looks like. All right, so fits right in there. This is going to be nice. And it does clip right in. So there you go, guys. Very nice. So the only thing that's showing this titanium color is going to be your crown. It's very, this case doesn't interfere with the crown movement whatsoever, so that's obviously a huge positive. And it looks like the buttons are very easy. Let's see here. All right, so let's test the action button on the side. That works, no problem. Currently I have it set to my Clockology app, and this is the face I was telling you guys about that I'm going to feature today. So the shortcut button works just fine, and the home button, obviously it's not covered at all, and it does scroll just fine, no problem there. And the side button works fine as well. So the case doesn't interfere with any of the functionality of the Ultra whatsoever. Nice overall look. So let's go ahead and put the robust carbon fiber band on. So there you have it, guys. That looks a lot better than it did just with the titanium finish, in my opinion. Much nicer with the black bands. And there you have it there on the wrist. This band is very easy to put on, take off with the magnetic clasp. And I'm going to come back with that watch face here in a second. All right, we're back. So this is the Clockology watch face that I told you earlier in the video I'd be showing you guys. It is my own brand Finn. All of my watch faces are on my Etsy store page. Please visit it, check them out. I have roughly 40 uploaded already and putting more on each day. This is the Finn Ocean Quest watch face. Everything is live here. You've got 24-hour dial, you've got battery indicator, and a second time zone subdial here, and the day and the date. And showing the temperature, it's 60 degrees out today, pretty nice day. And if you hit the center of the screen, it gives you a pop-up window with all the information you need, weather, ring information, heart rate, steps. So you never have to leave the Clockology app. So overall impression, I highly recommend this case for your Ultra 1, or yeah, your Ultra. If you don't have the Ultra 2, this is a nice way to achieve a black Ultra 2 look without upgrading to the Ultra 2. I really don't want to upgrade at this point. I'm happy with my Ultra 1. I've had it 2 years. The battery life's not as good as it used to be, but it's not bad enough to where I feel like I need to upgrade. So overall, like I said, I highly recommend this case. Go to Amazon, check the description in this video. Like I said, you'll see the link, and I'm going to leave a review on Amazon with this for this case as well. I'm very impressed with it. Looks great with the carbon fiber band by Robust, and 2 thumbs up for this. And FYI, Robust does have a shell like this, roughly around $50 on their website, that matches the carbon fiber band perfectly. But I wanted to get this case because I wanted to have a black look that I could pair with other black bands, not just the carbon fiber one here by Robust. So like I said, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. There's going to be more videos coming at you guys. Very happy with this, and I hope you guys are too. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And until the next video, I'll see you guys next time.